Jeff just places on me to Afenyo-Markin as a leader of the minority caucus. In fact, normally be as a leader, why and you've been your catcher, your two for whom your catcher say, and I'm be one and same way through a new bar is unwarranted as a leader. And Utie Eugene presentation, yeah, just say coordination, collaboration, no. Say Andy appear kubi and some more kind of say who is so mako. Now what it means say leaders and kasa more pray bill and now di Wontumi asem n'anim no munin kabomu. You are not actually united. You don't even collaborate. Because Afenyo-Markin openly voice a me boy, you are saying say you are not going to do it with the 50 million now. A year bill term na edahono condition no. And now Enra from Andy appear kubi Wontumi lawyer ojinemu say Brian Champon etumi aba be provide the 50 million no imposka normal de buy no na papers or document or de buy we japade no ebrumpu ama yokufuo asum anko mu di hu dwuma. Unfortunately obi nso akọ apply or court say ye review bill no. Enti na moment to me and release Wontumi. And this tells you say and collaboration anyhow as a munyina no be a candidate ope. He say wosi muntua ne entua china. Now Brian Champon has gone in. Your lawyer and appear could be confirms that what the sika no echo. Enti where lies that antics no anamo ye no initially ni adena. And I agree with Eugene. Said no can say a comedy. I say na mo ye na ye eno ma bia mo ye se chese me hu de na Afenyo-Markin o ye leader not just with encrophobia kekeu the minority side in parliament mo na mo hye mrama wo man emra hye bedwafo eno tie lawyer Andy appear kubia o say we are following the due process the law o say me I will not follow the other side like they are doing. Utia, not the theater way, but obey follow the law. And now, say, well, follow am I successful? Just that the application no buy. So when I say, and now the crowd, and now we say Afenyo-Markin as a leader. A ya to boa sekakra. Ne to de bia hon, wasem no ebikura edewu. But the way obey your normal fan. Na akose yasem ni nyina. And now o lawyer esi yakotwia. Are you going to tell and the peer could be say, me na me minority leader, and I make crana me demo and him yes, protest no ewo yoko any mu honti say sikana mo de kono mon san koje. Obeka ko country and this so mon koje sikana back na. Ti muntua. As a leader, ya to boase. Me de asem kakra be catch Afenyo-Markin because one here anymore and to me wa eteto nto my be kakra. You see that one takes normal wo ye ni nyina no. It will make you a bit I say, oh, person, a popular. It will really make you unpopular for some of the things you are doing. Because you say, no, what can Finfi? They have paid. Are you going to tell them to retrieve the money? Omun koje back ana. That's my word to you, Afenyo-Markin. Eba isi anafe uswaba. Ahumano swami atwetwen komo Nhyira 104.5. We eye kukuru and to me.